Most luxury vehicles ask you to choose between comfort and capability. The 2027 Cadillac OBSIDIAN Elite Motorhome is built for those who refuse to compromise. Today on Mobix Auto, we take a closer look at a motorhome that blends commanding presence, refined living, and advanced technology into one extraordinary package. From the outside, the OBSIDIAN Elite makes a powerful statement. Its bold, angular design and high ride height give it a confident stance. Cadillac's signature vertical LED lighting dominates the front fascia, while the massive off-road tires and reinforced body panels signal serious capability. This is not a traditional RV. It looks just as natural in front of a luxury hotel as it does crossing open terrain. Step inside, and the atmosphere changes completely. The living space feels more like a private executive lounge than a motorhome. Premium leather seating, soft ambient LED lighting, and carefully finished cabinetry create a calm, upscale environment. Large windows bring in natural light while maintaining privacy. The kitchen is modern and efficient, featuring integrated appliances, solid surface countertops, and smart storage solutions that keep everything organized. Moving toward the rear, the bedroom offers a hotel-style experience with a spacious bed, soft textures, and warm lighting designed for true comfort. The bathroom includes a full glass-enclosed shower, contemporary fixtures, and thoughtful layout planning, ensuring practicality without sacrificing elegance. Under the surface, performance is expected to match its bold appearance. The OBSIDIAN Elite is likely powered by a next-generation hybrid or fully electric system focused on smooth torque delivery and quiet cruising. Advanced suspension technology and intelligent traction management allow it to handle highways comfortably while remaining capable off-road. Technology is central to the experience. The cockpit features wide digital displays integrating navigation, vehicle data, and driver assistance systems into a clean, modern interface. Inside the cabin, occupants can control lighting, climate, and entertainment with ease. Connectivity supports streaming, communication, and remote work wherever the road leads. Safety is equally advanced. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane management, surround view cameras, and automated braking systems are designed to reduce stress and increase confidence, especially during long-distance travel. Of course, exclusivity comes at a price. While official figures are yet to be confirmed, this motorhome is expected to sit at the top of the luxury segment. Ownership involves more than the purchase itself. Maintenance, insurance, and storage are all part of the equation. But for those who value independence, privacy, and elevated travel, the 2027 Cadillac OBSIDIAN Elite Motorhome represents more than transportation. It represents freedom without giving up comfort or prestige. If you enjoy in-depth looks at exceptional vehicles, subscribe to Mobix Auto and share your thoughts below. Would this be your ultimate travel companion? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.